Welcome back. Sometimes your code needs to make more than one decision at the same time. Is the user logged in, and is he an admin? Is the temperature hot or cold, and should I wear a jacket? Today we will learn how to handle these using nested conditions and the ternary operator, a tiny piece of syntax that makes your code super clean. Let's go. First, let's understand what a nested condition is. A nested condition is just an if statement inside another if statement. Kind of like, if this is true, then check this other thing. Real life example, if you're hungry, if there is a pizza, eat pizza. Else, eat something else. Else, don't eat. In code, for example, let logged in equals true. Let is admin equals false. If logged in, let's add another layer of if, a nested condition. If is admin, console.log, welcome admin. Else, console.log, welcome user. Else, for the outer if statement, console.log, please log in first. Only go deeper when you really need to. Too much nesting becomes spaghetti. But when to use nested conditions? Use them only when one condition depends on another, you are checking something in layers. But are there a cleaner alternative? Of course there are. Sometimes you don't need nesting at all. For example, if logged in and is admin, console.log, welcome admin. Or, if not logged in, console.log, please log in first. Now here is the magic. The ternary operator is a shorthand for simple if-else. It works like this. Condition, question mark, do this if true, colon, do this if false. For example, let age equal 18. If age greater than or equal to 18, console.log adult. Else, console.log minor. We will convert it to ternary operator. So it would be let message equals age greater than or equal to 18, question mark, adult, colon, minor. Console.log message. It's nice, short, and readable. But why to use ternary? Because it saves space, keeps simple conditions clean, great for assigning variable, and perfect for inline decisions. But don't use it for long, complex logic. Keep ternaries short and sweet. Can we nest ternaries? Yeah, of course we can. We can nest ternaries, but should we do that? Rarely. For example, let score equals 85. If score greater than or equal to 90, console.log A. Else if score greater than or equal to 80, console.log B. Else, console.log C. Converted to use ternary, it would be let grade equals score greater than or equal to 90. A question mark. If it's true, then A. Colon. So if it's false, let's check another one. Score greater than or equal to 80. Question mark. If it's true, then B. And if it's false, colon, it's C. Console.log grade. It works, but nested ternaries are harder to read. Now it's a practical demo. Let's build a tiny login helper. I'll give you code and if else, and you will switch it to ternary operator. So, let's start. Let logged in equals true. Let premium equals true. If logged in, nested if premium, console.log, welcome premium user. Else, console.log, welcome free user. And else for the outer if is console.log, please log in. After conversion, it will be let message equal login, question mark, parenthesis, premium, question mark, welcome premium user, colon, welcome free user, and then colon after the parenthesis, please log in, console.log message. Let's explain it. First, we set the first condition, login. Make it a habit when using ternary operator, after adding the first condition, add question mark and then a colon. Then fill the conditions. So we added login, question mark, and colon. After question mark is the true. If logged in is true, let's keep it for now. But if it false, then we will add please log in. Okay, now let's get to the true. We added between parentheses to make things easier. We are checking if premium is true, so we add another layer, premium, question mark, and colon. Premium is true. After question mark, we will add welcome premium user. If it's false, we will add welcome free user. Then we console log the message. It's quick and clean. You just learned how to simplify decision making in JavaScript, both the long way and the short way. See you next. Thank you.